John here with Lowell's Pond. Tell you a little video on Musa Basjoo, the hardy banana. I'm going to pot up this little, or repot up this from a 1 gallon pot to maybe a 3 gallon pot, because this thing is going to grow like mad. Right now it's about 18 inches, 20 inches tall, that I purchased at a nursery just to add to my collection. But one thing I really like about the hardy banana is they will grow suckers. One of the few plants that I love suckers, because you can divide them, split them off, and grow more hardy bananas. But you can see they come up from the roots. There's a couple more coming up. 1 and 2 more. Oh, I think I get, oh no, that's a weed. But anyway, I love these things because they get huge. Here it is near the end of May, and this thing will get up to 5 feet by, and huge, maybe 5-foot leaves by the end of summer. Anyway, that's my hardy banana video for the day. Musa Basjoo, and have a great day.